I run across all these cool people that buy window film from us. Every now and then I'm going to see what I refer to as the millionaire next door. These people are particularly interesting to me because they're doing something that's elevating them on a higher level than you normally see. And you're like, what are they doing? You know, they all have the same characteristics. You know, none of them go with a big brand. They don't care about the brand that they represents their film. They brand themselves, and you know, they're savvy. They know how to look for quality that exists in the industry because it's everywhere. It's amazing how they're winning and promoting themselves, and they're minimizing their product. How many of you really would feel better selling Dunkin' Donuts, or would you rather sell Joe's Donuts? You know, make them yourself, make a better product. Dunkin' Donuts has proven to me one thing, they have a good donut. It's not the best donut. Making a Joe's Donut, you can put your heart and soul into it and market it on a regional level, and you can really compete with Dunkin' Donuts without any problem. And you know what? You can make a lot more money. You can be a lot more profitable. And these guys like Joe are going to be your millionaires next door. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level, give Flexfilm a try. We're really here to help, and there's so many things we can do to see that you are the next Joe, millionaire next door.